Hello children, welcome back to the class. I hope everyone are doing well and safe at home. So in previous classes we have learned the subtraction, and in that we have done subtract the following numbers and subtract the numbers with regrouping. So right. So today also we'll continue the same lesson and same means. Okay. So as we learn the regrouping numbers, so let's regroup, let's recall and regroup again. Okay, let's regroup the numbers again. Okay, here in this first one 463 is there and minus 18. So yes, in 463 we have to cancel 18. Okay, so minus we have to write here. So first, as we said, ones place we have to cancel first. So in the ones place there is 3 and 8 is there. So we can't cancel 8 from number 3 because 3 is a small number than 8. So what we have to do is we have to take 1 from 6. Yes, or if we will take 1 from 6, here in the 6 minus 1, if we cancel, if you take 1 from 6, so here 5 number will be there. So now we got 13 ones. So in 13 we have to cancel 8. Okay, so 13 minus 8 what? Is 5. Right. 13 minus 8 is equal to what? 5. Next here we have 5 tens. Right. So 5 minus 1 what? Yes, 4. Okay. Now next is 10 hundreds place. In hundreds place there is a 1 number. So what we have to do? As usual, if there is 1 number we have to write as usual. Okay, the same number we have to write. That means we got the sum 445. Yes, 445 is the answer. In 463 if we will cancel 18, the 445 will be there. Okay, and the next one is 475 minus 94. Yes, we have to cancel 94 from 475. In the first ones place there is 5 minus 4 is there. Yes, in the 5 we can cancel 4, right? So 5 minus 4, 1. Next one is 7 minus 9 is there. Yes, here the number is small than this number. Okay, so 7 minus 9, 9 we can't cancel from 7. So what we have to do? 1 we have to take from hundreds place. So now we got 17 tens. So in 17 we have to cancel 9 now. So 17 minus 9 what? 8. Okay, 17 minus 9, 8. Next hundreds. Yes, here if you took 1 now, so here only 3 is left. Because from 4 we already took 1. Yes, 1. So here only 3 is there. So what we have to do? 3 is only one number. So 3 as usual we have to write. Okay, so that means 475 minus 94 is equal to 381. 381 is the sum. Next one is 124 minus 332. 124 minus 32. 32 we have to cancel from 124. So 4 minus 2 what? Yes, 4 minus 2, 2. 2 minus 3. Yes, 2, 3 we can't cancel from 2. What we have to do? Here 1 is there, no? So 1, only 1 is there. So 1 also we have to take there only. Okay. So here we will take 1. So here there will be 0. Means there is no number. So now 12 minus 3. Yes, 12 minus 3 what? 9. 9. And here there is no number because 1 we have already taken here. So here 0 is there. So we can write 0, or if we will not write also, no problems. The answer is 92. Okay, if we will not write 0 also, no problem. The answer is 92 because here no number is there. Okay, if we will cancel 1, there is no number in hundreds place. Okay, so here we got the answer 92. Is it clear? Next one is 786 and 87. So we have to cancel 87 minus 786. So first 6 minus 7. So 6 minus 7. We can't cancel 7 from 6. So we have to take, yes, 1. Here 7. Because 1 if we will take here, 7 will be there. So 16 is there. Now 16 minus 7 what? Yes, 9. Next here 7 is there. Yes, 7 left. So 7 again, here we have to cancel 8. So what we will do? Again only 7 is there. Again we have to cancel this. Again from 700's place we have to take 1 here. And next here 6 will be there. 6 will be left. So here now we got 17. Yes, from 7, 8 we can't cancel. So again we have to take one number from 100's place. So now we got 17. Yes, 17 minus 8 is equal to what? Yes, that is 9. Okay, and next here only 6 is there. So in 7 we took already 1. So here 6 is there. The single number is there. So we have to write 6 like this. Okay, so we got the answer 699. Okay children, so like this we have to regroup the numbers. 786 minus 87 is equal to what? 699. Is it clear? Next here 875 minus 97. We have to cancel 97 from 875. So here 5 minus 7. 7 we can't cancel from 5. So we have to take 1 from here. So here 6 will be there. So 15. Now 15 minus 7 is equal to what? 8. So next again here 6 is there. So 9 we have to cancel. So we can't cancel 9 from 6. So again we have to take from here. 1 we have to take here, and here 7 will be there. Now we got here 16 number, right? Yes. Now we got 16 number. So from 16 minus 16 minus 9, what? Yes, there is 7. Okay. Next here 7 is there. So 8 was there. From 8 we took already one number. So here 7 is there now. So 7, only one number is there. So we have to write here 7. That means 875 minus 97 is equal to what? 778. Is it clear? Next one is 400 and 450 and 58. In 450 we have to cancel 58. Okay, so here first one is 0. Yes, 0 minus 8 is there. So 0 is nothing, there is no number. But we have to cancel 8, means what we can do? Yes, from this place, from 10's place, we have to take 1. Yes, 1 we have to take. Here if you take 1, we'll get 4 number. So now we got 10, right? So in this 10, we have to cancel 8. So 10 minus 8, what? 2. Now here 4 is there. 4 minus 5. So we can't cancel 5 from 4. So again what we have to do? From 4 we have to take 1 again. Here 3 will be there. So again 14. Yes, 14 minus 5. So 14 minus 5 what? 9. Okay, 9. Next one is 3. Yes, here from 4 we took already 1. So here 3 is left. So 3 is a single digit. So we have to write 3 as usual. So that means 450 minus 58 is equal to what? 392. Is it clear children? So this is the method of regrouping of 3-digit number. Okay children, is it clear? If there are less number, we have to take 1 from other numbers, other tens, or from other hundreds place. Okay, then we have to cancel numbers. Okay children, is it clear? Okay. Okay children, and the next one is, next main is stories problem. So here we have to read and subtract the problems from stories. Okay, now I will read the stories and everyone listen carefully. Raju is traveling to his grandmother's house 264 kilometers away. Okay, and next he has already covered 152 kilometers. So now how much more distance does he need to travel? So let's see still how much kilometer he needs to travel. Okay, so here first one is, first we have to write Raju is traveling to his grandmother's house 264. Yes, 264. Okay, 264 kilometer he was traveling. Okay, he already covered, okay, 152. Okay children, Raju is traveling 264 kilometer. Okay, in this he already covered 152. Okay, let's see still how many kilometers he has to travel. So what we have to do? We have to cancel. Yes, we have to cancel 264 kilometer minus 152 kilometers. Okay, so in this we have to cancel 152 kilometers from 264. So here what we have to do? We have to subtract this. Okay, so first from one side we have to subtract, that is 4 minus 2 is 2, next 6 minus 5 1, and 2 minus 1 1. Yes, the answer we got 112. Yes, 112 kilometer, 112 kilometers still he has to travel. Okay, so is it clear? So in this, yes, again I will repeat, Raju is traveling to his grandmother's house 264 kilometer. Okay, but he is already covered 152 kilometers. Okay, now still how many kilometers he has to travel means still 112 kilometers he has to travel. Okay, because we have cancelled this 152 from 264 kilometers. Okay, no, is it clear? Okay, the next one is, out of 696 animals in a farmhouse, 377 are cows and the rest are buffaloes. So how many buffaloes are there? Okay, let's this also subtract, and let's subtract this problem. So here out of 696 cows, okay, in a farmhouse, only 377 are cows. 377 are cows. Okay, but we have to see the rest buffaloes. Okay, others are buffaloes are there. So let's see how many buffaloes are there. So here also we have to cancel. Okay, from 6 we have to cancel 7. So what we have to do? 7 we can't cancel from 6. So from 9 we have to take 1. Now 16. Yes, from 16 minus 7 we have to cancel. So 16 minus 7 what? Yes, that is 9. Okay, here only 8 number is left. So next from 8 we can cancel 7, right? Yes, we can cancel 7 from 8. So let's cancel 8 minus 7. Yes, that is 1. Okay, next is hundreds place, 6 minus 3. Yes, 6 minus 3 what? That is 3. Okay, so there are 319 buffaloes. Okay, 319 buffaloes are there. Okay children, is it clear? There are 696 animals are there in the farm. In that 696 animals, cows are 377. Okay, and rest all buffaloes. And so now 319 buffaloes are there. Okay, so total 696 animals. If the cows are 377 means the buffaloes are 319. Is it clear children? The next one is, out of 650 students in a hostel, 475 are going to their homes during the vacation. So how many students are staying back in the hostel? So let's calculate this. Okay, out of 650. Okay, out of 650 students in a hostel, 475 are going to their homes. Okay, so here we have to cancel. Okay, here we have to see still how many students are left in the hostel. Okay, so first we have to cancel from one side, that is 0 and 5. So we can't cancel 5 from 0, right? So what we have to do? We have to take 1 from this 5 number. So now we have 10. Yes, 10 ones are there. So here we have to cancel 5 from 10. So 10 minus 5, 5. Next one is, here we have only 4. So 4 minus 7 we can't cancel. 7 we can't cancel from 4. So what we have to do? Again we have to take 1 from this place. Now we have 14. Now we have 14 numbers. So we can cancel 7 from 14, right? So 14 minus 7 what? Yes, 7. Okay. Now again here only 5 is there. So here 5 minus 1, 5 minus 4 what? Yes, that is 1. Okay children. Now there are 175 students left still in hostel. Okay children, is it clear? So this is the method to write the story problems. Is it clear? Okay. Okay children, the next main is find the actual sum and the estimate sum for the following numbers. Okay, here the numbers are there 19 and 68. Okay, we have to add and we have to see which is the estimate number and which is the actual number. So here the actual number is, you can see, 19 and 68. So we have to calculate 19 and 68. Okay, so we have to add here. Okay, so again we have to add here 9 plus 8. So 9 plus 8 what? 17. Yes, for 17 we have to write one number and we have to 1 carry over here. Okay, now we got 1 plus 1 2 and plus 6 8. Okay, so this is the actual sum. Okay, and what is estimate sum? What we can do estimate sum here? Estimate sum is near 10. Okay, this number we have to write near tens. In tens we have to write. That means 19 is there. So near 10, which is the estimate number, means 19 is there. So near tens, that is 20. Near 10 means 20. Okay, and here 68 is there. So for 68 the near 10 number is 68, 69, 70 is there. So 70 is the estimate number of 68. Okay, now this also we have to calculate. Okay, 0 plus 0, 0 and 2 plus 7, that is 9. Okay, so this is the answer. So this is the actual sum and this is the estimate sum. Okay, if there are 19 and 68, we have to write actual sum means we have to add this, and for this number we have to write nearest 10 numbers. Okay, next for 503 and 192, nearest 100 numbers here you have to write. Okay, so 503 and 192 we have to add. Okay, 3 we have to add this to get actual sum and estimate sum. 503 plus 192 we have to add. So 3 plus 2 5, 0 plus 9 9, 5 plus 1 6. So this is the actual sum. So for estimate sum nearest 100 means 503 nearest 100, which one? Yes, that is 500 only. Okay, because 500 is near to the 503. Next hundreds. Again 192 nearest hundreds is what? Yes, 192, that is 200. Yes, 200 is the nearest number. Okay, in hundreds. So here we have to calculate. Again we have to add this 0 plus 0, 0, 0 plus 0, 0 and 5 plus 2 is 7. Okay children, is it clear? So this is the estimate sum and this is the actual sum. Is it clear children? Okay children, so here we have completed the lesson number 4, that is addition and subtraction. Okay, so in this chapter if you have any doubts or any clarification, we will discuss this in discussion class. Okay, till then everyone take care, bye.